Hey guys, before we jump into the video, I see that many of you come and watch these videos again and again, but you don't actually subscribe to the channel. It would really help us out if you'll hit that subscribe button for us and turn on the notifications so you don't ever miss our uploads. You guys have no idea how much value that would give us. We really appreciate it. Now let's jump into the video. Let me ask you something real quick. Are you still sitting around waiting for the perfect real estate deal? You know, that unicorn, no money down, instant cash flow, dream scenario. Well, let me be real with you. If that's your mindset, you're about to miss out on everything. Because the truth is, you just don't get rich in real estate by waiting. You get rich by starting. Here's why most people stay stuck. Because most people will never become real estate investors. And it's not because they don't have money. It's not because they don't have credit. And it's not even because they don't have time. It's because they're afraid to fail. And that mindset is why they're gonna stay broke. And meanwhile, people out there doing deals, people like you, they get battle scars. They make mistakes. But guess what? They've also built wealth, gained freedom, financial and otherwise, and they've changed their lives for the better. You want to know what my first deal looked like? Because guys, it wasn't sexy. It wasn't that great. I didn't even do that well on it, but that deal made me. It did everything that I needed to do. I bought something to fix up and sell quick. It took me a long time, but I learned everything by doing that first deal. And I never looked back. So guys, I put in months of work. I put in tons of stress and effort. We even picked up the hammer and did all the work ourselves, which I'll never do again. Again, what we learned on that first deal is invaluable. I look back on it today and think that the first deal I ever did might be the best one I ever did, even though it's not even close when I stack it up financially and look at how much we made, how long it took. None of it was really that good. I didn't know what I didn't know at the time, and I didn't have a plan, but I got started. I got in the game, and because I did, I'm 3,000 deals down the road, and I live a pretty good life, and you can too. Hey guys, whether you're a novice or a seasoned pro like me, you never can know too much. On October 3rd and 4th, we've put together the Wealth 2.0 Summit, where I've opened up my Rolodex. These are the people that I'm doing deals with. These are the people that I call when I have questions, and you can be in the room with them, learning from them, and it's free. It's online. All you have to do is click on the link in the description. We do have limited spots, so do it now. Don't wait. We're going to have my friend Jerry Norton, who's the flipping genius himself. We're going to have my mentor, Dave Steck, who will teach you how to put your money to work as hard as you do. One of my favorite young guys out there is Richard Taylor. He is teaching people cutting-edge technology or cutting-edge ways to profit in real estate, and you don't want to miss being in the room with these guys. I just named a few. These are the people that I call when I have questions, and I want you in the room. I want you to learn from people. Guys, again, did I say it? It's free. It's online. October 3rd and 4th. And here's what most people will never understand. You don't have to hit a home run to win in real estate investing. You got to get the reps in. You got to do deals, do deal after deal after deal. You've got to get in the game. It's going to provide you experience. It's going to teach you what you don't know yet, and you're going to learn from every deal you do. And you're going to make mistakes. That's okay. In fact, it's necessary. Every deal is going to teach you something. You're going to learn how to analyze things faster, how to look for the red flags and don't get involved with those deals, how to negotiate better. You're going to structure deals better, and how you can find partners that'll last a lifetime that you can make tons of money together with. And you're not going to learn that from watching the YouTube video or reading a book. You'll learn it by doing, by getting in the game. And I know what you're saying, but I don't have any money, Robert. Here's the truth. Neither did I when I was starting out. You don't need money just like I didn't need money back then. You need to go out and find the deal of a lifetime. If you find a great deal, the deal of a lifetime, the money will find you. You can find private lenders, hard money lenders, or even partners who have cash. They're all looking for the same thing, that opportunity, that deal of a lifetime. And you, the real estate investor hero, you can find it for us. And I say us, because I'll partner with you. Another objection, I don't know what I'm doing, Robert. I don't know how to get started. And nobody knows that shit at the beginning. That's why you start small. Start looking at the houses in your neighborhood where you live and buy the best deal that you can get. Partner on a simple flip, a fix and flip. Just do something where the risk is manageable and your reward can be experience. You don't have to hit a home run every time. If you're a real estate investor like me, investing on the island of Puerto Rico, one of your major frustrations has been and will probably continue to be for a while the data. Data's just not really available on the island of Puerto Rico, at least not until now. Red Atlas is solving the data crisis on the island of Puerto Rico, and inside of our Apex group, that's our premium group where we're doing deals with members, you get 4 months of free Red Atlas. So the link's in the description. Come join us in Apex. It's worth the price of admission. 4 months free Red Atlas with your Apex membership. Another big objection. I'm afraid. What if I mess up? Well, the truth is you're going to mess up. Everybody does. And that's exactly how you learn and level up. Real estate is a game of skill. And like any skill, you get better the more you practice. And in this case, you get better the more you do, the more you play. In fact, by starting now, there's a compounding effect that you're going to want to learn. Time in the market beats timing the market every single time. Every year you wait is a year that you don't build equity, learn the game, grow your network, develop confidence, create options. In fact, one small deal today can unlock dozens of bigger deals tomorrow. Here's the wild part. Your best deals are going to show up after you've already started and have some momentum. You're going to find that if you get a deal or two down the road and you're on your real estate investor path, people are going to start bringing you deals. Lenders will call you, and you're going to start seeing opportunities that no one else notices because you've trained yourself to spot them. None of that happens if you don't start. And you don't even have to do it alone. In fact, we've built a community so that you won't have to do it alone. And if I had tried myself to do this without community, without partners, without mentors, probably would have forced me to quit. And that's why we've built a community, the Apex group, so that you can join and succeed. And we've got people in there at every stage. We have first-timers doing their first deal ever. We've got flippers, buy, fix, and flip guys that are scaling to 10 houses a month. We even have lenders in there looking to fund your next opportunity. And we're all sharing strategies for success. We're all sharing strategies, deals, contractors, funding sources. It's a cheat code, guys, because real estate is hard alone. In fact, it shouldn't be done alone. It's a team sport. And with the right people and partners, you'll move faster and safer. So here's the truth. You're never going to feel 100% ready. And there's not going to be an easy answer. But that first deal, that one step that you take, it can change your life. Start small. Take a shot. Surround yourself with winners. And watch how fast your life will change. And if you're ready for that, come join us inside of our community, our Apex community. Let's get you connected to the people, the knowledge, and the momentum that you need to start building wealth. Obviously, subscribe to our channel for more real estate content like this. Drop a comment below. Tell me what you think. You think I'm full of it? Let me know. I'll see you on the next one. Watch this.